What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my personal channel where I post things about fashion, home decor, pregnancy stuff. Yes, I am pregnant. I am officially 7 months pregnant, guys. 2 more months to go. Woo! Speaking of pregnancy, this video is gonna be my top pregnancy hacks for that troublesome first trimester. Let's face it, there's no way around it. Gotta get through it. Now, I wish that I could have run into a video like this when I was going through my first trimester, guys, because it was a nightmare. And so I'm just thankful for my husband that he was able to be very supportive and help me to find a lot of these hacks, guys. So thanks to him. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in, okay? Because we know you want to hear it. Number 1, bar of soap. Okay, so nausea, right? Everything stinks. And can't get around that part, but I did find a hack. Just everything smelled gross. My husband smelled gross, the dogs, everything, and then your sense of smell is like level 9,000. So I went into a boutique and found a woman that makes her own soaps, and so they're very strong, pungent, just whew. But this is the actual soap that I had, okay? So this is called Lucky Panther, but again, whatever you could find near you. The smell that for some reason did not gross me out was black pepper, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, but mostly black pepper. Now that I smell it, being in 3rd trimester, now I'm kind of like, what the heck was I thinking? But this did the trick. And you know what? I would sleep with it next to my pillow because that was the only thing that helped with the nausea at the time, for my sense of smell. So get yourself a really good handmade soap. Highly recommended. That, candles as well. Candles, find yourself maybe like a lavender, something soft, mild smelling, nothing that's too like perfumey type of thing. Light one of those up, that helps. And then with the smell, I also would use lotion, and I would dab some like right underneath my nose, and it really did the trick. It really helped. So I hope those 3 things help for your sense of smell during your first trimester. Number 2, so before I even jump into this one, make sure that you consult a doctor. Do not take medication just because somebody online is telling you to take medication. My nausea was out of control. What I found that helped was Unison. I know, I don't even know how it tricks your body, but you take it, you know, of course, before you go to sleep, and the next day my nausea was just very much under control. So I give it to Unison because it definitely helped with my nausea. Give that a shot, but again, remember, consult with your doctor first. Number 3, suck on candy, lollipops, mint, chew gum, mint, anything. Why? Because it helped my nausea. It turned out that your saliva, it was my saliva that was grossing me out and really making me gag. Let me tell you how I found that out. So I would find myself spitting a lot because I felt like, just my mouth was just gross. I couldn't get over it. Then when I would brush my teeth, the peppermint, the mint flavor really just soothed me. But it would only soothe me for like a temporary amount of time. So I'm like, okay, hold on, put 2 and 2 together. That just helped me not feel so nauseous because the mint just, I don't know what it did, guys. So I went and bought some suckers, some, lollipops, mints, you name it. It really controlled my saliva and of course my nausea. So recommend it. Try some candy, suck on some Jolly Ranchers, whatever you have around you. Try that. Number 4, ginger ale, ginger tea, ginger. It helps, guys. It helps with that nausea. I drink a lot of ginger ale. I would like it really cold. For some reason, I'm the type of person that just would always drink water like room temperature. But during my first trimester, I noticed that cold stuff was just hitting the spot. So I would drink me a cold ginger ale or warm ginger teas. It really soothed, you know, my body, my throat, and of course it really did help with nausea and that bloated feeling. It really helps with that as well. Number 5, pregnancy pillows. I know, when I first bought my first pregnancy pillow, I was amazed. I was like, wait, what the hell? Where have you been all my life? Like, I was gone raving about it to everybody that I knew, and people were like, oh, okay. They did not understand. I mean, you can't sleep on your back, you can't sleep on your stomach. You gotta find a way to fall asleep. So these pregnancy pillows, I've tried them all. Now, if you subscribe and hit that notification bell, I can go ahead and do a review on some of the pillows that I have for my pregnancy days. Of course, I used them on my first trimester, second trimester, and now my third trimester. So pregnancy pillows, guys, they really help. Number 6, guys, face masks. I know, the whole COVID thing, right? No, I'm talking about for nausea and sense of smell. If you're still experiencing, you know, some of that nausea or just everything just stinks, I found myself having to wear a mask during the day. Like if I'm gonna be around like maybe dirty dishes or anything that potentially could stink, I would wear a mask, and it really helped. So if you feel like there's times in the day where you feel like, oh my god, everything just stinks, wear a mask. Try wearing a mask around. It will help control some of the bad smells you experience with that first trimester. And my last pregnancy hack is meditation music, warm shower or warm bath. Again, consult with your doctor. Don't go jumping in the water, in the warm water, if it's not something that you are allowed to do. But what I would do, and I felt that it was very calming for me, anxiety, you know, hits, overthinking, your body's going through a lot. So I found that taking a nice shower, warm shower, not a bath because I wasn't allowed to, I would just let that warm water hit my body, and I would just sit in the tub, and then I would listen to some meditation music when I would get out of the shower, turn on a candle, and just relax. And it was pure bliss. It was so like the ultimate relaxation for a woman that's, like I said, your mind is just going at the speed of I don't know what. But again, we're all going through so much anxieties, scared, all kinds of emotions running through your body. So that really helped me, and I hope that it will help you. Right, guys, that is all for my top pregnancy hacks for that troublesome first trimester. If you have any recommendations for videos that you would like to see on my channel, definitely kick those into the comment section below. And until next time.